呢一集咧，我哋會講多咗人去行山啊，咁啊，The city is climbing the hills to get away from itself。咁呢個咧係一個wordplay 嚟㗎，因為 the city 咧有兩個意思嘅。第一個咧當然就係個城市啦，第二個咧就係講緊城市裏面嘅人。咁因為城市咧係唔會爬山㗎嘛，係咪？咁所以咧呢一度如果你咁睇嘅話咧，個 the city 咧係講緊裏面啲人去爬山。咁為咗咩咧？為咗 get away from itself。咁呢 itself 咧係講緊呢個 city 嘅呢個地方，所以話咧係。呢個城市裏面嘅人去爬山，去離開個城市，係咪？咁所以呢個 city 有兩個意思嘅，第一個就係裏面嘅人啦，第二個就係個城市本身。我哋望一望咧 overall 我哋嘅原因先，點解咧會咁多人去行山？OK，首先第一個咧就係呢個啦，The trail is the fastest exit from a fast city 啊，咁就係最合理嘅 idea 啦，就係佢哋去離開一個忙碌嘅生活。咁呢個咧就會去解釋點解會咁多人去行山。咁 the trail 咧其實就係指一個行山路徑嘅意思啊。咁啊，我哋話個行山路徑咧係一個最快方法去逃離一個快節奏嘅城市。The hiking boom runs on a simple economic fact about escape。咁呢個咧就係講緊咧行山嘅一個流量增加。Boom 嘅意思咧通常係講一樣嘢嘅急速成長，所以 the hiking boom 嘅意思咧就係大量人去行山嘅呢一個急速成長嘅呢件事啦。Runs on 咧就係解喺某一個燃料底下咧去產生。咁所以咧呢一個 a simple economic fact 就係個燃料啦，即係話咧佢係用緊呢一個作為個燃料去驅動自己呢個趨勢咁樣嘅。咁啊 about escape 啦就係一個關於逃離嘅一個原因。咁個原因就係關於逃離嘅，就係喺香港咧 The mountains are the cheapest nearest exit from an exhausting city。因為唔知你知唔知就係香港咧其實係勁多。即係喺世界嘅咁多個地方裏面嚟講咧，香港係一個行山最好嘅地方之一嚟嘅。因為點解咧？第一就係因為佢好細啦，香港。第二就係因為喺一個勁細嘅地方，勁多山，所以咧好多啲行山專家咧係會過嚟一日，但係我哋爬4-5個山咁樣喺香港，係咪？咁所以香港好適合行山嘅，咁係最平啦，同埋最近嘅方法咧去逃離呢一個令人疲倦嘅城市。Consider what a stressed young worker's alternative cost。你試下考慮下，呢 consider 咧係叫你考慮，叫你試下諗下一個大壓力嘅後生仔員工嘅其他方法嘅一啲成本，即係如果佢哋唔去行山，佢哋諗其他方法嘅話咧，佢哋成本會好高啊。例如係 a weekend abroad needs money and leave 就話咧，如果你要去外國嘅話咧，你要錢，你要同埋你要呢一個病假啦，你要去請假啦。A staycation in a hotel is a night's salary。即係你去 staycation 嘅話咧，係要1晚嘅人工嚟嘅。Even a cafe afternoon adds up。就算咧係一個 cafe，你去坐一個 afternoon 都要錢㗎，係咪？佢都會累積埋一齊就會好貴啦。A trail costs a train fare and a pair of shoes opens at sunrise and sits 20 minutes from the flat。即係話咧，你淨係要坐一個列車過去啫，同埋一對拖鞋啦，跟住咧就可以由朝早到晚啦，咁樣啦。That unbeatable price to relief ratio is the engine of the crowd。即係話咧，呢樣嘢咧就會令到佢哋咧成為咗一個最好嘅性價比啊，就會令到驅使咗引擎啦，即係比喻法啦，引擎驅動咗好多呢班咁樣嘅人群咧去行山。Unbeatable 嘅意思咧係不能比喻的。What drives the crowd is scarcity of space。即係話咧，驅動呢班人去嘅咧就係嗰個空間感嘅稀有性啊，因為香港太細啦，得山先有空間感啊。The countryside is simply the only large, free, open expanse that densely packed city has left to offer, and wilderness happens to be where it sits。即係話咧，呢個鄉村地方咧係基本上係唯一一個大啦、自由啦同埋廣闊嘅空間，而呢啲人煙稠密嘅城市咧係淨係得翻呢個地方咧 has left to offer。即係話淨係得翻呢個地方先可以俾到呢一啲感覺嚟俾一班城市嘅人嘅。同一時間咧，嗰個野外嘅感覺咧，亦都係喺佢自己應該要喺嘅地方。Happens to be where it sits 係咩意思？就係話咁啱喺翻佢應該要出現嘅地方，即係話唔係強制人工加落去，即係海洋公園咁樣強制人工加啲熊貓落去咁樣嘅。佢就唔係啦。今次嘅野外咧，真係野外嚟嘅。This is the commodified escape。This is the commodified escape 咩意思？就係一個即係類似咧，係指緊呢個被商業化嘅逃離啦。Nature repackaged as the most affordable stress relief product on the market。即係話咧，自然咧已經被人哋重新包裝成一個最平嘅解壓方法。Okay? The takeaway is sober when a whole generation calls the same hills its therapy. The demand is really a measure of how little affordable relief the city provides anywhere else。就話咧，係因為呢個城市咧，俾唔到其他方法俾呢一班人去做一個 stress relief， 即係釋放力啦。stress relief 就係釋放力啦，OK？所以佢哋唯有就去行山咯，OK？ 就去尋找個 therapy 咧就係治療嘅意思啦。OK，好，下一個啦，下一個咧就係咁呢個咧就係講個矛盾啊，即係如果係咁嘅話，如果咁多人去，咁會點咧？OK，我哋望望下一個 slide 啦。呢個咧就開始越嚟越深啦，因為上面嗰個咧其實都有好簡單嘅原因啊，就係你要想逃離、想解壓啦，係咪？咁啊，但係呢一個咧就好有意義啦。呢個就係講緊，如果咁多人去行山，咁會點樣咧？同埋係唔係個個行山嘅人咧都係專注緊喺個風景度啦？會唔會有啲 KOL 打卡嗰啲咧？我哋就露掉呢班啦。我哋就話咧，We hold the city's habits up the mountain。佢話啦，There is a strange contradiction at the heart of the boom，即係話咧喺成個趨勢嘅中央咧有一個矛盾嘅，就係好多人咧逃離城市 ，people flee the city's performance culture， 好多人咧逃離呢個城市嘅一個表演文化，即係佢哋想回歸大自然嘅原因就係因為想逃離城市裡面嗰個表演嘅文化，嗰個明爭暗鬥啊、辦公室政治啊。但係個問題就係呢班人逃離咗城市嘅表演文化，佢哋就轉過頭咧喺個山頂上面咧自己 perform 翻，係咪？所以咧，除咗點解咁多人，即係如果我哋去解釋點解咁多人會去行山，除咗係講解壓之外咧，其實最緊要嘅咧就係做自己啊嘛，就係回歸大自然啊嘛，返璞歸真啊嘛，就係唔使表演，唔使做俾人哋睇，唔使做社交，就係自己一個 enjoy 嘅 me time。但係諷刺嘅係咧，好多人去到上山咧，其實係做翻一啲佢哋原本想逃離嘅嘢，就係表演啦，或者就係去打卡、去影相咁樣。Watch a viewpoint at cycle and you see it， 就係話咧，你望一望。喺西貢裏面有一個景點位，你會見到咩啊？大量嘅排隊啦，forming not to rest but to photograph。排隊唔係因為佢哋想休息，而係因為佢哋排隊想影相。Hikers crossing barriers into danger for a cleaner shot，即係話咧，行山人咧越過啲障礙啊，入去一啲危險嘅地方，為咗嘅只不過一個更加乾淨嘅一個風景 shot，即係嗰個一個場景嘅意思啊。Cleaner 嘅意思係冇乜人嘅意思啦，即係乾淨嘅 shot。The summit treated as a stage to be seen on，即係話咧頂峰，我哋個山峰咧就被看待成為一個舞台。呢個舞台上面咧，佢哋想俾人見到嘅。SCMP reported a sharp rise in mishaps 咧即係啲小錯步，有 mishaps。Precisely because many risk their safety for selfies，即係話咧好多人咧，即係 SCMP 統計咗，好多人咧係會有啲所謂嘅行差踏錯啊，即係可能佢哋譬如碌落山啊咁樣啦，就係 exactly 因為咧好多人咧係會動詞呢個 risk， 好多人咧係會用自己條命嚟做賭注啊，為咗影張 selfies。The mechanism is that social media has trained us to convert every experience into content, and that reflex does not switch off at the trailhead。即係話咧個機制咧就係點解會咁樣做咧？就因為社交媒體咧已經將我哋轉化成為，已經將我哋訓練到去一個地步，就係我哋會被逼轉化任何嘅生活上嘅大小習慣咧，成為一個 content。然後呢個反射習慣咧，去到你嘅山頂咧，都唔會突然間咧就會熄咗啊。OK，so the escape gets quietly cancelled。所以咧嗰個逃離感咧，好靜靜雞就俾人哋 cancel 咗啦。點解啊？因為你去到上山都會玩 IG 咯。A hiker who spends the climb framing the perfect post is still answering to the same audience。諷刺係咧，逃離城市飯圈嘅呢班 hiker 咧，就去翻山頂上面咧，重返呢一個飯圈係嘛？佢就係會去量度 the perfect pose，framing the perfect pose。frame 嘅意思咧，去諗下邊一個位好靚啊咁樣，去做一個框架，咁就慢慢去塑造一個最完美嘅 pose。佢仍然都係為緊同一班觀眾去答覆。Okay？The same comparison, the same pressure they came to flee。係同一班人啦，而同一個觀眾啦，同一班嘅比較嘅感覺啦，同埋同一個壓力。This is nature as backdrop. The mountain demoted from a place you enter to a set you shoot in front of。即係話咧，大自然就淪為咗個背板啦，然後咧個山咧就被降格成為一個 place，你只不過係入去為咗去將佢成為你打卡嘅一個招牌版。The unsettling point， 即係 unsettling 就令人不安的咯。The unsettling point is that we can travel all the way to the hills and never actually leave the city in our heads。就話咧，諷刺嘅係咧， 令人不安嘅係咧，我哋能夠物理上咧去個山度，但係我哋心理上咧其實從來都未離開過啲城市嘅。所以就係去評估或者係批評呢班人嘅做法啦。點解佢哋行山，但係點解都係覺得 relax 唔到咧？因為佢哋行山係肉體上離開，但係心靈上咧仍然係依附住喺個城市裏面嘅飯圈度嘅。最後當然你就要講一講個環境上面嘅一啲危機啦。我哋就係如果你睇過中秋節啊，咩節都係啦，任嗰啲咩清明節啊、拜山嗰啲啊，一有放假咧，無論係內地嘅市民啦，或者係我哋香港人啦，一去到山上面亂拋垃圾啊、山火啊，然後勁污糟啊，啲山勁污糟啊，海灣勁污糟啊，山勁污糟啊，就講緊呢啲工地嘅悲劇啊，係咪？我哋望望呢個段落。The escape feels free to each hiker，即係話咧，啱啱上面講過咧，我哋去行山咧係免費嘅，但係呢個只不過係對於呢班行山嘅人嚟講係免費，and that is exactly why it is quietly expensive for everyone。而呢樣嘢咧，其實亦都係點解會越嚟越昂貴啊？點解咧？因為貴係貴咗喺環境嘅成本，而唔係貴緊佢個人嘅經濟成本。所以呢班 hiker 咧就將自己個人嘅經濟成本搬咗俾環境成本啦。When one person takes a shortcut off the path, drops a wrapper or picks up a shell, the harm feels trivial。即係話咧，當一個人離開佢原本嘅路徑，行去咗一個 shortcut，跌咗一啲塑膠袋，或者執咗一個殼啫，個傷害咧睇起上嚟咧係微不足道嘅 trivial， 微不足道。Multiplied by 10 million visits a year， 但係當你將呢一樣嘢 multiply 乘啦，你試下乘1000萬啦，每一年有1000萬人去。每一年有1000萬個塑膠膠袋，1000萬個行一啲 shortcut，踐踏一啲草，1000萬個執殼，1000萬個執花咁樣，and that maths turn brutal， 呢個數字咧就會變得好殘忍啦。香港嘅 country parks already absorb over 3,000 tons of litter annually， 每一年咧係有3000噸啊嘅垃圾係喺香港嘅郊區嘅。And Greenpeace and Library Research warn that trampled vegetation near population entrances is retreating and may not regrow。即係話咧，點解我哋唔可以行 shortcut 咧？就因為當啲植被咧被踐踏過 ，trampled 就係被踐踏過嘅植被啊。如果咧佢哋即係佢呢個意思就係指咧，呢個機構咧就指出警告啦，嚟一啲popular 嘅 entrance， 即係一啲公眾入口啊 ，entrance 入口啊嘛 ，popular 就係流行啦，咁即係意思係公眾啦。離公眾入口好近被踐踏嘅植被咧，因為係不斷被踐踏啦，佢哋咧係回撤緊啊，即係啲植被咧唔識生翻上嚟啦，佢哋開始回撤緊，因為當你俾人不斷踐踏，佢哋會有機制生存噶嘛，佢哋會開始唔想去翻一啲佢哋不斷被踐踏嘅位置，佢哋就會回撤啦。This is the tragedy of the commons， 即係工地悲劇。A shared resource that no single user feels responsible for, degraded by the sum of countless more rational, individually harmless choices。即係話咧，一個公共嘅資源咧，你會覺得冇任何人都係對佢有一個責任感啊！即係譬如你唔會為咗公園裏面一個設施嘅損耗而覺得好嬲咁樣，你唔會，因為呢個工地嚟嘅，所以唔會有人咧係覺得自己有責任嘅。而呢個工地咧就會被破壞啦，而呢個被破壞咧唔係俾一個人惡意蓄意破壞，係俾無數嘅小破壞，係嘛？Countless 嘅 small 好少嘅，同時係合理嘅喎，因為睇落去唔係好大單，唔係好嚴重嘅一啲個人嘅，睇起上嚟咧係冇傷害嘅選擇，不斷咁去被疊加。The mechanism is that the cause is delayed and collective while the pleasure is immediate and personal。即係話咧，個成本咧係會延遲同埋係集體去承受啊。個成本嘅意思咧就係嗰個植被會回撤啊，垃圾會堆積啊。佢呢個成本咧唔係即刻你抌垃圾嗰刻就見到嘅，佢唔係 immediate 嘅，佢係咧延遲嘅。亦都係因為延遲嘅問題咧，唔會有人 feel 到啊。同一時間咧，你行山嘅樂趣咧係即時嘅喎，同埋個人嘅喎。所以對比起個成本係大家一齊承受同埋係延遲嘅，而個樂趣咧係即時，亦都係個人嘅。咁你會點樣揀？你會揀樂趣咯，因為我即時 feel 到，係嘛？So no one at the trailhead ever feels like the problem， 都唔會有人覺得呢個係一個問題咯。The takeaway students should hold is uncomfortable. The hills are free only because their true price 就係你要明嘅咧，就係呢個山咧係免費，係因為佢哋真正嘅價格、真正嘅成本咧，例如係佢哋嘅承載力啊、 佢哋嘅侵蝕啊，佢哋嘅喪失咗、損失咗嘅一啲棲息地啊，is being charged to a future that has not arrived yet，即係話咧成本係向一個未發生嘅未來支付緊啊，或者我哋個成本只係搬遷咗，個成本咧係冇消失到啊。咁呢個咧就係 Paper 2 mock啦，OK，咁可以自己試下做一做。不過我建議你跟翻每個禮拜俾你咁望啦，如果你做完先至做呢個啦，OK。咁我想講咧就係近年嚟咧，其實好多行山嘢嘅，其實咁我係會 tip Paper 4會出，因為呢啲咁樣嘅 countryside 啊行山嘢咧，其實 Paper 4係好啱去出嘅。咁我上都 tip 咗啦，不過冇送到。今年咧都會其中一個大熱就係行山啦，因為近年嚟個健康文化其實係好普及㗎，尤其是對於 Mark 嘅年齡嚟講，pickleball 啊、行山啊、露營啊等等，咁所以咧大家可以溫一溫呢度嘅 concept。咁 concept 咧就呢度，係想你學嘅咧就係啱啱我講嘅呢個啦，工地悲劇啦。即係如果你能夠喺寫影響嘅時候咧講到呢個字咧係非常之靚仔嘅工地悲劇，亦都可以講呢個啦。就係好多人咧上到去咧唔係為咗去 relax 嘅，其實上到去咧都係為咗做一個 performance，就係 nature 咧成為咗一個背景板。點解咧？我哋有一個 performance 嘅 reflex，一個表演嘅反射。一見到啲開心、靚嘅、正嘅嘢咧，就想打卡。咁同埋咧，點解咁多人會覺得唔需要保育咧？就因為呢樣嘢係一個 defer 嘅 cost 啦，被延後嘅代價。咁希望大家可以學一學呢個嘅生字，因為呢生字好 impressive 啊！大家如果拎到呢一兩隻咁樣咧，擺喺 Paper 4啊或者擺喺 Paper 2裏面用咧，其實好 impressive，就係咁。